Hey guys, it's Mr. here, and today I will be doing something I've never done. Something I will do something new, maybe every couple of days, but this is the weather. So, see here, so this for today, we have a 10% wind, a very significant wind threat, and also a very significant hail threat. But I would check if you look in Southeast Michigan, Monroe, and Wayne counties. I probably should keep an eye on that, just in case, especially Wayne County, just in case you get upgraded at them. Something crazy. But I will show you, like, this BC, like, that. This is, I can't really do part of two new dressed up today, so maybe to put dissertation, which I Howard. Actually, not TCGIG, or type, so yeah, I would say, especially in Michigan, better check the severe decay. You can see the decay really does rise. But I cannot go to Jersey. UGC. But check the Midwest. You can see. Yeah, but I also checked the temperatures for today. Okay. They're very high 70s. I say it might be in the low 80s actually, so very high 70s, low 80s, but also check the dew points. Yeah, very humid. But yeah, Boston Mass uses Chiaju website, so yeah. Just for the Chiaju. I gotta use this, so yes, I am a member too. So just got to find the website here.
Homes.
And here's the website. Mind you, they are. And yep, they're probably radar, but there's here weather checked SBC day 1. Let's see. But if you see where I think the site should be, I think I would drive more like I think that's what happened there, but also the monitor just extended. I also got fix that. So zoom out. That, but you also got to this whole section right here. Yep. There. But keep an eye out in this area I'm circled due to the probability of a tornado. The area I'll be looking at more is in this area, but also this area too. So keep an eye on that. But the wind threat, I'm surprised they not this whole area right there. It's not burning up. This area right here would definitely get extended, I think. In the hill, I don't know. Like, I would definitely watch around this whole area. Also, if you check phase 2, this whole area when take this source area and go to this brisk area right here. But I also think an extension might happen to here. But day 3. It's 2. I'm surprised if like a very small marginal extension here. 2, 6. Yeah. And that's it. Bye guys. See you guys in the next video.